Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this REALME. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck. Following that, install this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when your app is ready, open it. Now you need to swipe in order to learn all the informations about your REALME's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!